Hi, boys and girls. Do you remember this from school? This is a 10 frame. And I know you've done some work with 10 frames on Google Classroom with Mrs. Senior. I wanted to show you something today. I want to really look at 10. Now, I know a lot of you can count to 10 and you recognize your numbers to 10, but do you know all the different ways to make 10? Let's do it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you can have 10. If we think about how many red circles we have and how many green circles we have, we're going to see how to make 10 in different ways. Okay, let's look at this. Well, I can see that we have 10 red ones. How many green ones do we have? Let's look. Do you see any green ones? No. If you have 10 red ones and 0 green ones, it still equals 10 altogether. But what if we take one of those away? What if we have 9 red ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red circles. And 1 green circle. Guess what? The 10 frame is still filled up. You still have 10. So 9 red ones and 1 green one will still equal 10. Okay. But what if you only have 8 red ones? If you have 8 red ones, how many green ones do we need to still have 10? You're right. We would need 2 green. So 8 red and 2 green will equal 10. Okay. Do you see what we're doing here? Look at these numbers. Do you notice something? Do you notice something with the green numbers? Wait a minute. 10, 9, 8. Oh, these numbers are going down. And the green numbers, 0, 1, 2, are going up. Okay, so what if we only had, how many is that? Well, do we have to count those? No, we know that's 5. So we have 5, 6, 7 red. Okay, if we have 7 red, how many green ones do we need to still have 10? If you said 3, you are catching on. The cool thing about this is you can use these numbers and this 10 frame to think about a lot of things. What if we had 7 boys come to school and 3 girls come to school? We'll always know that if we have 7 of something and 3 of something, all together it will be 10. We'll always know if we have 8 and 2 more, that will be 10. We'll know that if we have 9 and just 1 more, we'll have 10. And of course, if we have 10 red ones and 0 green ones, that will equal 10. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, look at the 10 frame now. How many red circles do you see? Okay, if we have 6 red circles, how many green circles do we need? You're right. We don't need 5 more, we just need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you have 6 and then have 4 more, that will equal 10. So we have 6 red. And how many green did we have? You're right, 4 green. That will equal 10. Oh, this next one is my favorite. This is something that I think you guys really understand. Look at this. How many red circles do we have? You're right. That's 5. We don't even have to count, do we? And guess what? It's easy to know how many green circles we need because we need the same. We need 5 red, and then we need 5 green, and we will still have how many? 10. So 5 red and 5 green will still equal 10. Okay, now we are erasing those green circles. Okay, look at this. How many red do we have? You're right, 4. So if we have 4 red, how many green do we need? This one, it's getting a little tricky. Well, we know we need this one. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we have 4 red, then we're gonna need 6 green to make 10. So if we only have 4 red, then we know we're gonna need 6 green. You know what's silly? I just noticed something. Look, 4 and 6 will make 10. And look up here. 6 and 4. Wait, they just switched places. If you have 6 red and 4 green, it makes 10. But if you only have 4 red, then you're going to need 6 in the green. Okay, let's keep going. Okie dokie. Okay. Oh, just 3 red. How many do you think we're going to need? You know what? I can look right here and see. We definitely need 5, 6, 7. We're going to need 7 green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, okay. If we have 3 red ones, then we need 7 green ones. Right? 3 red and 7 green. And how many altogether? 10. It's always 10. If the 10 frame is all filled up, then we know it's 10. Because we have 5 across the top and 5 across the bottom, and it always will make 10. Wait a minute. Just 2 red ones? Wow, we're going to need a lot of green. How many do you think we'll need? Tell your mom or dad or your brother or sister, how many green do we need? Well, you know we need all these. How many's down here? 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to need 8 green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we have just 2 red ones, then we're going to need 8 to make 10. Look, 2 goes with 8 to make 10. Because up here, 2 goes with 8 to make... Every time, if you have 8, you need to get 2 more, and then you'll have 10. Okay, now let's look at this. What happened? Just 1 red one? How many green are we going to need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to need 9? That makes sense. Because if you have 9 and then you get 1 more, that makes 10. So if you only have 1 red, then you're going to need 9 green. Oh, I just realized I need 1 more space on my paper. I need to make a spot down here because guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to take away that red one. Watch this. What if we don't have any red? What if the number of red that we have is 0? How many are we going to need of green to equal 10? Well, when we had 0 green, we needed 10 red ones. Now that we have 0 red, what do you think? Oh, wait a minute. Look at these numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you think it's going to be 10? I think you're right. So if we don't have any red, we're going to need to have 10 green ones so that we can fill up our 10 frame and still have 10. Good job, boys and girls. I would like you to try to make a chart like this at your house. I will attach one so that you can print it out, but if not, you just need to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11 squares going across, okay? Show me all the different ways you can make 10.